Hello everyone, my name is Suvansh Duggal and I secured an All India rank 30 this time in GATE 2020. My stream was mechanical engineering and this was basically my second attempt. I have graduated from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies Dehradun in 2019. With college in my very first attempt, I had secured an All India rank 346. During that time, I had bought Exergic study material, question bank and test series. The whole point buying the study material was to buy a material which is to the point. I think that is very much necessary during your preparation for any exam. I think because you should stick to the relevant material only. You should not beat around the bush. And there are many sources available in the internet which are good. I'm not saying that they are not good, but they have told many extra things which I don't think is necessary. So when I was pretty much satisfied with the reviews, I bought the course, and to my very much satisfaction, I was very happy buying that course. I'm very satisfied. But what I felt was that during that time, I didn't attempt as many test series as I should have attempted. This was the major reason behind that rank. But this time, I improved that thing. I improved on my mistake. I bought three test series in which one of them was Exergic, and I just focused on solving test series this year. There were many concepts which were my weak concepts. I had some loopholes in my concept. I knew somewhere that some subjects are not that I haven't prepared them that well. So for that matter, I bought the video course of Exergic this time, and honestly speaking, I'm very much satisfied with that because the way sir has told the concepts in such a lucid manner, like those concepts which were my weak concepts are today now my strong concepts, and I I just feel that that was the best thing I bought this year. Basically, the main focus of an aspirant should be towards as many questions as you can solve. But many people misinterpret this thing. They feel that we have to solve previous year questions thrice or four times. That is not the point. There's a difference between solving 100 good quality questions and solving just 100 questions which are of the same concept. Your aim should be solving new concepts questions which are testing your new concepts, which are making you think basically. And GATE is a numerical ability test. If you're attempting GATE previous year questions four times, five times, you're just mugging them up. You're not pressurizing your brain to think more. So this was the reason behind buying the three test series and one of them Exergic, because I think that the quality of questions which Exergic's test series provide is just top notch. There is no other institute which is nearby. And very important thing which I feel is which I was very happy with Exergic's video course, that they constantly update their video course. This is a very good thing because once you buy a material or once you buy anything, if it's in hard form or something, you cannot update it as per the latest trends or something. I remember in 2019 I couldn't attempt the acceleration analysis question, and just a month before GATE exam, sir uploaded the video on acceleration analysis on that particular question, which opened my some concepts also. Although it was not asked in GATE 2020, but it actually boosts your confidence that you know the important things now. And the trend which GATE is following, IITs are following, is that they are testing new concepts. So for that matter, I think there is question bank is pretty much sufficient if you attempt a whole question bank honestly. Now that doesn't mean that you are just you're solving the question and seeing the solution straight away if you are not being able to solve it. I personally recommend each and every candidate to always try till the end. Just solve it till you just fail that no, I cannot do it anymore. And trust me, if you will try for 4 to 5 times, definitely you will feel that you will be able to solve it after fourth or fifth time if it's a very good question. But what we do is we generally straight away go to the solution because we have that habit of spoon feeding. So remove that completely. That's a blunder. Any doubt, any suggestions you need, you can contact me or contact sir as well. He will guide you better than me. And all the very best. Be calm, be relaxed. 1 year can change your life.